Problem. I copy you very fine. No, sorry for the country. Sorry for your country. Now I copy you. You are from 68 Alpha Tango, North Ireland. 68 Division. Okay, 68 Alpha Tango, 121. And here is a Kilo Papa 243 Bob. Okay, Robert, thank you for my signal report. I am mobile station in the moment. QSL, your locate is about I think it's 10 kilometers from Belfast, the capital. I don't copy very well the distance, your distance from the Belfast, the capital. Okay. In the moment I am running a Magnum radio, a 257 Hotel Papa, and a Stereo whip antenna, in my car. QSL, Robert, over.
Yeah, fine business. It's all doing a very good job for you, Bob. On this side, my working conditions, I'm running ICOM 706 Mark 2G. Microphone is original. The power at the moment about 100 watts. And the antenna stereo gain master, it's about 10 meters in the air. And my location, I'm in a small town called Ballymena. And that's about 30 miles northwest of Belfast City, over.
Roger, Robert, I copy very fine now. You are 30 miles from Belfast, 30 miles from the capital, I think the capital from North Ireland. Okay, no problem. About your KT8 is okay. And also about your working condition, very fine condition. Your radio is Icon 706, and your antenna is a Game Master, Serial Game Master. I know this antenna is very fine antenna, a very fine antenna, Serial Game Master. Okay, Mr. Robert, microphone to you, 68 Alpha Tango 121. This is Kilo Papa 243 in South America, over.
Yeah, Roger, Bob. Yeah, you got that 100%. Bob, there's some heavy QSP on you there. Sometimes negative San Diego, and sometimes signal 7. So lots of QSP there on your signal there at the moment. Bob, I'm going to cut it short. I'm going to give you best 7, 3 and 5 on, and I'll listen for you hopefully in the future. Kilo Papa 243 mobile from 68 Alpha Tango 121. Have a safe journey, and hope to hear you soon, Bob. Over.
Okay, Robert. Thank you very much for this contact. Okay, I am making a video from this contact. Okay, I am making a video record from this contact between us. The condition is very nice in the moment. Okay, if you can go in the YouTube, you can look like YouTube. You can look for Papa Yankee 2 Romeo Victor in my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, you will see this video from this contact. Okay, my channel in the YouTube is Papa Yankee 2 Romeo Victor. Thank you very much, Robert. Thank you very much for this contact. I wish you all the best and good Sunday to you and your family. Thank you very much, my friend. 68 Alpha Tango 121 from Kilo Papa 243 mobile, over.
Yeah, Roger, not Bob. That sounds very familiar. That call sounds very familiar, Bob. I'm looking it up, and I think we may have spoke before. Okay, take care, Bob, and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Kilo Papa 243 mobile from 68 Alpha Tango 121. Bye for now, Bob. Take care.
Thank you very much, Robert, my friend. Good DX. Bye-bye. Thank you.